Right, so you join me for my third vlog on the golf estate. I'm going to be completely honest, this is probably going to be the worst vlog that you'll ever watch. This is for the Kill All Wipers Wiper Delete and Debadge of the rear. I filmed this the day after my brother's wedding and I was not in a good condition to talk or anything. So what I'm going to have to do is just show you the footage and then just talk over the top and talk through what I'm doing. So here it is. So this is the first part of installing the Kill All Wipers Wiper Delete. In the Mark 4 Golf there's two screws in the back panel with the grab handles in. You've got to remove the two screws from the grab handles first. So the next thing that you need to do is pull the panel off. To be honest, this was pretty difficult. The clips are really strong and there's a lot of them, so you do have to be quite forceful. Try it in one of the corners first, and then once you've got one, the rest should pop off, and then just take the panel off. So once that was completed, what we did is just disconnect the wiring to the motor and disconnect the washer fluid pipe. Then what we did is went back to the outside to take the wiper off, which is nice and easy. It's just you undo the cover, then there's one bolt and you can just pull the wiper straight off. Once the wiper arm's off, there's 3 bolts that hold the motor in on the inside. Once you take the 3 bolts off, the motor will come out and then you'll just be left with basically a hole and a rubber grommet. Just push the rubber grommet through the hole and then you'll be left with just a hole in the glass. You might notice on some of these clips that the badges are already gone off the rear. Really simple to debadge. All we did was heat them up with a heat gun and then just scrape all the rest of the residue off. But I do think it looks loads better, just in case you were wondering what we did to do them. Next job is you need to clean the hole with glass cleaner. You'll probably notice on this I clean the outside hole first, and then after I read the instructions for a good 5 minutes, realise that the bung actually glues on the inside, not on the outside. So always read the instructions. So then go back and clean the inside so that the adhesive that's supplied in the placket can stick to the window. Right, so you've got to make sure that the actual sticker faces the inside. So like I said before, you actually stick it in from the inside. You do recommend that obviously you tape it in place as well. The adhesive is a bit hard to get out the tube, so I would recommend making the end a bit longer. Once you stick it in, you stick a bit of tape on, add some adhesive to the outside, and then it says to leave it to seal for an hour. I actually ended up leaving mine for about 2 hours just because it was a cold day and the sealant was taking a very long time to seal. And this is the completed article. As you can see, the window does need a clean, but I would recommend the kit. It's a bargain for £10 and I think it looks a load better, as you can see in this picture. Cool, so that's that. I think it looks a whole lot better with the badges taken off. I am considering painting the badges black that are left, the Volkswagen badges, but unsure about that. The reason that I haven't done much to it is the MOT is due this week or next week, so I'm waiting to see if there's anything major that needs doing, just in case I have to spend a bit of money, and then hopefully after that coilovers next and wheels. So hopefully the next vlog is a bit more interesting. Right, catch you in the next one.